Oh, the vibe is incredible. The location is great here in San Francisco. I was able to bring some of the solutioning team here from AWS and really looking forward to the overall partnership. And this is just a piece of what we have coming.
Everyone's just super energetic, happy to be here. It's really nice to meet people who know what I work on, because I'm at a smaller company, but everyone here has been stoked to hear about my experience, and I've been really excited to learn about Chainguard.
I love the fact that it's hey, you got a mascot here, and you're kind of having fun. The other thing that I really like about it is it's actually bringing joy back to engineering.
Pretty awesome announcements, libraries, VMs, obviously the container images. It just makes too much sense.
It's super exciting. I love to hear about the vision of securing the entire supply chain. So whenever we're actually deploying things on top of these now VMs, we know they're secure. We're not continually chasing CVEs. That'll be an exciting future for all of us in the DevOps community.
What I was really excited about is the outcome on Datadog and the monitoring there.
There's clearly a lot of work and passion that has been put behind it, and really look forward to being able to utilize our technology here at AWS to bring those things to life and to bring it to more customers across the United States and the world.
You become smarter when you're around people that are tackling the same types of problems, and you get to hear about their experiences in different ways and how they're approaching it, and it's just it's intellectual discourse is a very healthy thing.
There's so many people with so many different experiences. You have the cybersecurity, you have the platform, you have the application. All those people coming together in one place and being able to share that expertise and knowledge, give you different perspectives on what you're interested in. All of that's just extremely valuable. Innovative.
Fun.
Magical.
Neat. Secure.
Educational.
Exciting.
Super cool. It's lit.
Guardians Assemble.
I just want to thank everyone so much for coming to Assemble, our first ever conference. This day's been amazing, and we couldn't have done this without all of you.